Hello children, welcome to the math class. Let's continue our chapter 2. Now we will discuss about division of fraction. Division of a fraction by a whole number. Here children, you can see to divide a fraction by a whole number, we multiply the fraction by the reciprocal of the whole number. For example, you see 5 by 7 divided 4. So first we write 5 by 7, then divided 4. The reciprocal of 4 is 1 by 4. Okay, so here we multiply. Like this repeat, you see 3 whole 4 by 5 divided 19. Here this is the mixed fraction, so you convert into improper fraction, that is 19 by 5. Okay, then we multiply the reciprocal of 19, that is 1 by 19. Okay, like this you see CB. Then division of a fraction by a fraction. How we do? In order to divide a fraction by another fraction, we multiply the first fraction by the reciprocal of the other fraction, means second fraction. For example, ABC 5 by 7 divided 2 by 7. Let's see the example. Solution you see. According to the rule, we write the reciprocal of the second fraction. So, the reciprocal of 2 by 7 is 7 by 2. Just you multiply. Okay. Then division of a whole number by a fraction. In order to divide a whole number by a fraction, we multiply the whole number by the reciprocal of the fraction. Formula is whole number divided fraction equal to whole number multiply reciprocal of the fraction. For example, 7 divided 3 by 4. Here 7 divided 3 by 4. The reciprocal of 3 by 4 is children 4 by 3. Okay, we write here. Then you multiply. Okay. Then example 8 you see. Divide the sum of 3 by 5 and 2 by 5 by 4 by 5. So first of all, we find out the sum of 3 by 5 and 2 by 5. Whatever we get the result, then we divide it with 4 by 5. Then example 9. The product of two fractions is 8 by 3. If one of them is 14 by 9, what is the other fraction? The product of two fractions is 8 by 3. One fraction is 14 by 9. Then the another fraction is just we divide. 8 by 3 divided 14 by 9. Okay. Here the result will be 1 whole 5 by 7. Then example 10. Jyoti cuts a 21-meter long rope into pieces of 3 whole 1 by 2 meter length each. How many pieces of the rope did she get? The length of rope is 21 meter. Length of pieces, each pieces equal to 3 whole 1 by 2 meter. So the number of pieces, just we divide length of rope by length of each piece. Okay. You divide like this, then you get your answer. Okay children. Clear all the examples. Then comes to exercise 2.2. One number is divide the following. Very easy. Just you follow the examples. Here 1 by 7 divided 2. The reciprocal of 2 is 1 by 2. So like this you divide. Okay, 2 number, here 2 fractions are there. Follow the example. Second fraction, you find out the reciprocal first, then you divide. 3 number is simplify. A bit already I had done. First you solve the addition part, okay, then you divide. B bit, you see multiplication and division is given. First you solve division part, then you multiply. Okay. C bit, all are multiplication, at a time you can multiply. D bit also at a time you multiply. E bit, first you solve the division part, then you multiply. F bit, first you solve bracket, within bracket part, then you divide. Okay children. Then comes to 4 number. The cost of 6 whole 2 by 3 meter of iron ware is 16 whole 2 by 3 rupees. Find the cost of 1 meter of ware. So children, here we divide 16 whole 2 by 3 divided 6 whole 2 by 3, like this. Then comes to 5 number. By what number should we divide 5 by 12 so that the quotient is 1 whole 17 by 18. So children, very easy, just we divide these two numbers, then we get our answer. You divide yourself. 6 number, you see, the product of two number is 28 by 81. If one number is 14 by 27, find the other. Here also you divide and find the answer. 7 number, the price of 1 kg of sugar is 18 whole 1 by 4 rupees. How many kg of sugar can be bought for 292 rupees? Children, like this you divide, okay. Then we get answer what? 16. So 16 kg of sugar can be bought for 292 rupees. Then comes to 8 number. The area of a rectangle is 65 whole 1 by 4 meter square. If its breadth is 5 whole 7 by 16 meter, find its length. Okay children, here we divide like this, then we get the answer what? 12 meter. Okay, the length is 12 meter. Then children, directly you come to 13 and 14 number. Not need to do 9, 10, 11 and 12. 13 number, you see, divide the sum of 65 by 12 and 8 by 3 by their difference. So first of all, we find out their sum and difference. Then we divide. Like this you write first children. Then you find out the sum, then difference. Then at last you divide. 14 number, divide the sum of 13 by 3 and 6 by 7 by the product of 2 by 7 and 5 whole 1 by 2. Here first read the question properly, then understand. Okay. First we find out the sum. 13 by 3 plus 6 by 7. Okay. Then the product of 2 by 7 and 5 whole 1 by 2. Then you find out the product. At last you divide. Okay. So exercise 2.2 is your homework. You complete it in your copy. So 1 to 7 you do all the numbers and 8, 13, 14 is your homework. Okay. Thank you.